Hello Salmedu, welcome back to IndiAfrican. Hey guys, we got two soul fishes here and we are gonna make soul fish soya masala fry. I have made into pieces, but you can also fry the full fishes, but I would recommend to make in pieces, which will help to steep the masala really well. At first add salt as per your taste, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder. Mix well. About 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Mix this well. Now add 1 whole egg. Let's mix it again. Now add about 2 tablespoons of corn flour. Coat the masala nicely to each and every piece. Refrigerate about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes of marination, we will fry the fishes deeply. Fry it on medium flame. Soul fishes doesn't take a lot of time to get fried. 10 minutes of frying should be perfect. We will flip and fry both the sides. The fish is getting fried in an awesome way. Once the fish is fried, just transfer it on a kitchen paper. On the other side, take a pan and pour about 2 to 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. You can use the same oil which you have fried the fish. Add about 1 tablespoon chopped garlic, 1 teaspoon of chopped ginger. Stir well. Now add 1 tablespoon red chili powder, 3 green chilies, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1/4 teaspoon crushed black pepper. Now let's stir the spices. Add 2 tablespoons of soya sauce. Add some salt. Mix well. Now add 4 to 5 curry leaves. Let's add about 4 to 5 tablespoons of thick curd. Let's fry the curd about 2 minutes. Add chopped coriander leaves. Finally, add the fried fish pieces. Mix it nicely and fry it about 2 to 3 minutes. This looks really delicious. Let's serve it now. If you guys like the video, please hit the like button below and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Do try and enjoy. Also let me know how is it in the comment section below. I'll catch you on the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.